Good morning again. What we're going to talk about today, first of all, is drill bit sharpening, tools we use to sharpen drill bits, and the first thing I want to talk about is the drill point gauge, what we call a drill point gauge, but it's actually divided into two discrete pieces. Remember, we've done a video on steel rules, so this is a common standard 6-inch steel rule, 6-inch hook rule. This is the drill point gauge itself. The drill point gauge it has a 59-degree angle. A drill point has a 118-degree included angle. That's 59 times 2, 59 on each side. And you'll notice that it has graduations on it too. This helps us when we're sharpening drill bits. Now how this works is, there's a screw in here in the collar, spring-loaded collar. You place this on your drill. Just got to be smarter than the tool. Put that down in the slot there. It fits in that slot. This slides up on this side. It doesn't matter, where it's at in here. I'm just going to nondescriptly pick a point, tighten it down, and now we have a drill point gauge. Again, this is a 59-degree angle, or half of your drill point. Standard drill point's 118 degrees. Now we have our standard drill. This happens to be a 9/16 diameter, 118 degree, what we call reduced shank, or in our terms here, this would be a just reduced shank drill. It's also called a silver and Deming drill. That's a trade name like Crescent Wrench. If you can see this, you'll notice that we are at 19/32 out, which would be half a 9/16 of an inch. That's a good thing, because that means that drill's ground pretty close to center. Well, we're going to sharpen it anyway. Now this would be how I brand new this drill. I just took it out of the box. It's all sharp, it's brand new. Well, we're still going to practice on it anyway. We're going to head over towards the grinders. How we use this, again, the body of the drill is up against here. You have the cutting lip facing you. Remember, the cutting lip is the part from here to here. It's facing me. I bring this up, I lay that flush with the edge of my cutting lip, and then I measure it. I'll turn it 180 degrees. I'll measure the other side, and if you can see that, you notice that it comes up the same place. This is extremely important. If you have your drill bit, your point off center, it has to be the same angle on center. If this is off center, it's not going to cut on center. It's going to act like a boring tool, and it will literally make your hole bigger than you want. Now, you're not going to make it an 1/8 inch bigger, a 1/16 inch bigger, but I can easily get this drill bit to drill 30 thousandths bigger, or 32nd of an inch bigger than it will, which in some scenarios could be disastrous. Anyway, this concludes this video on drill point gauge and drills.